Hi, welcome back. Another update. So SAP is going to lay off 3,000 workforce. Is SAP game going to over for 2023 for all SAP and S4 HANA and other integrated solutions? The answer, it's no. Why it is no? We'll check now. Okay. So let's try to, before getting into the topic, and I would like to suggest you, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Oh, this is my Udemy courses, which actually, helpful for all SAP SD and S4 HANA other module consultants also. If you look at here, this is my Prime SD course, which is 98 hours and which is going to be, giving, including all tips and more than 100 plus topics actually. Okay, so 335 lectures, you can go through it, and certain sessions from my YouTube also here. And SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics, if you are not yet introduced, you can try. And if you are already trained, no problem. So you would like to work comfortably in real time, getting master to write functional specification, this is one of my top course. And if you'd like to know integrated system, how idocs will be generated from basics to your survival, how to handle the requirements, and everything is available in this course, real-time idoc training. Here 5 scenarios I have explained. So if you want to check transportation basics, another course is there. Like that, I have few set of courses. Okay, now let's get into the topic, what exactly it is. So 3,000 employees worldwide layoff. What is the impact? So my answer is strictly nothing, zero impact. So to curtail their 2022 last quarter and previous quarter losses, they have reduced this workforce, and probably this workforce might have huge packages. It's not like your service companies. SAP is top product development and innovation research company, which is located in Germany, and it has development centers in India, places like Bangalore and other places as well. Okay, let's try to check. So what is this? You have 100 rupees, out of which 2.5 pennies. If you lose it, there is no problem for you. But so the each rupee is shared by 3,000 employees, then it's a big problem. Okay, I'm telling you. So like, the employees who got removed, they don't, SAP now in cloud platform, they're in technology advancement and a lot of innovations. They're integrated with other non-SAP modules, how to support it. On that case, certain workforce, if their skills utilized past few years, they don't want to continue them. That is one reason. And second thing is that you never know, those are permanent employees or contract employees. When work is over, hands up. This is the private industry. When skills get utilized and you get paid, then don't think about that. That is your home. Okay, so this is one thing. 2.5% of 1.1 lakhs of world employees, that is 3,000. Okay, so it's a very minor thing. 2023 and provide a savings run rate, see, 300 to 350 million euros savings they wanted. That's why they did this. And how many employees from actual SAP corporation in Germany? 200 employees. That means you imagine how many vendors are there, how many permanent employees are there. So they haven't mentioned anywhere in the news all are permanent employees or temporary employees. I feel that most of them temporary employees. Of course, permanent employees also will be there. If you know some employees in SAP, you'll come to know that one. 300 from Bharat SAP centers. 300 employees. So that means, as far as world news, 200 from the German headquarters and 300. However, the remaining 2,500, it can be from other centers, other countries, or else only vendors. See, this is the good news, positive news. New development center started in Bangalore, Airport Road, so which is going to give too many jobs. And 100 plus employees newly recruited for their new innovations and research and product development, and to manage their vendors. Okay, so that means 3,000 taken out, 1,000 taken back. It's a common practice in software industry. If you take Accenture, laid off 19,000 employees from Accenture, out of which the total population that is just 2 to 2.5%. Okay, so you will have adjustments, your costs and revenues out of 100. If you are in that 2.5%, don't worry, you will have other place to work. Be confident. If you're not there, and be careful and give your 100% at your work. That is more important. Okay, so it has a various reasons. Suppose I'll tell you, in my previous videos I told you SAP B1, it was a trend if you go back few years, just like that packages there. So by using SAP B1, they can able to do that small and medium business tab. Now big businesses are losing it just by this time. Small and medium industries, they don't have any plans to reinvest on SAP B1. That's why it lost its edges, but it came back in SAP Summit 2002. In that, they're trying to add new features and all this stuff. And I have already done video what exactly and how good forcefully coming back SAP B1. And but my suggestion, better don't get in touch with B1. If you're already B1, then better get into SD or MM, any other new module. Being an employee, this is our thing, and that is business strategy from SAP side. It's up to you how you would like to take. You would like to wait till 2024 last quarter or 25. By the time SAP B1, some jobs might open. Those jobs, is it really worth for you? Is it really waiting for you? Then you can wait. On the time also, if you have a heavy competition from SAP B1, it is very difficult. When it comes to new aspirant, there is no problem. Whatever the global news and global propaganda, don't take it to your head. That's why I'm doing this video. Even you knew this news, but how you have received, it matters. How you are going to receive if you are listening now. So it's always a key. So better don't take any tension regarding about this news. This just 2.5%. It's quite common in industry. Like it happens in IBM, it happens in Accenture, it happens in Cognizant, it happens in TCS, Wipro. So like after 2021 heavy recruitments, they would like to filter. This is the time once the market opens and office opens. It has various reasons that they don't disclose. It can be technology driven movement for upward side, or else new technologies coming and replace old technologies, and marginal skills not sufficient for industry, and performance issues also the main root cause. Lack of availability of technology to provide work for existing workforce. It has any number of reasons. Cost cutting, a lot of things they lost. No one will work for loss any business. Even if you don't work for free of cost, any company, even if it is SAP, Unilever, and HUL, Honeywell, and you take any biggest Walmart, if you take any pioneer industries, okay, you don't work for free of cost, right? Big means it should be big for you. Okay, so thanks a lot. That's the news. It's creating a lot of buzz in your mobiles and Mint and a lot of news circulation agencies. They're pushing this news, but you have to note down positive notes. They have taken new 1,000 employees. They're going to take more employees for new development center. It is a big hope. 2.5% nothing. If it is really big, layoff, then first it is going to affect on service companies, because most of the service companies work as a vendors for SAP Labs or SAP India or SAP Global Limited. Okay, don't take this news so seriously. Your careers are guaranteed. If you have any chance, just try to utilize your time and wait for your time. Definitely, you'll have one day to get into the software industry as an SAP consultant to fulfill your SAP dreams. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.